tafadhali usitoke nje ya gate.
Nimefika hapa 5. The process is okay. They are very orderly. Yeah, and I'm happy to be a parent here.
Nimetoka Kajiado, Kitengela. Nililete kijana yangu ameweza kupata hii shule ya Kapsabet High School. Niliweza kufika hapa asubuhi sana, saa 12 asubuhi. Na hali vile hivyo iko mzuri. Inaelekea vizuri, process iko vizuri, walimu wamejiandaa kukaribisha watoto.
As early as 3 a.m. Our students in Form 1 who are actually supposed to be around over 600 who have reported. They came very early in the morning, and by now, as you can see, the environment and the compound, it has over 500 students who have reported, basically. The process is very smooth. The parents have been assisted, and we are seeing them. They are very anxious to have their sons in the school, and we are very happy. So far, every process is good enough. Basically, we have seen most of them with their small challenges and have been sorted.